my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my second Christmas mani tutorial. So this time I'm going to be using Create a Shop Ukraine. This is the name of the plate. It doesn't have any number, so that's what it's called. Okay, and I think I'm going to be using this image right here, maybe this one and this one. I haven't decided yet. You guys already know how I am. But I will create something nice. So I have some red polish on my nails. One thing I want to mention, at least for myself, every time I use, I stamp over red polish with the white stamping polish, this will turn kind of pink. So what I did, I top coat before, and hopefully that would take care of that problem. Now I'm going to be using my Born Pretty store, my two clear stampers. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll be back at the end of the video to talk to you guys and see, show you guys the end result. So let's get started. Guys, so this is how my nails look, and they look beautiful. The only complaint I would say is this one, I did not place the image right on the center like I did with this one. I really like the design on the pinky. Look how beautiful it looks, you guys. Let me just put my other hand so it won't be going out of focus. And I really like the accent nail, and the only complaint is this right here. But other than that, I really love this ugly sweater design that I created. So yeah, you guys, just to kind of give you an idea, you guys probably already have a plate with this design, and if you don't know how to use it, well, this is a very easy mani. You can even do the green background, it's still gonna look beautiful. So yeah, you guys, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.